Well, I'm an active member of the Pike Road Art Council, which I'm enjoying being. This is like my second year rolling, and so I'm very excited. My objective is to assist the Pike Road Art Council in offering more opportunities for Pike Road community in visual arts. And we have a huge amount of talented kids because I work at the Pike Road Junior High School, and so I'm seeing them. I'm seeing what these kids have to offer, and I love what they come with me, like the skills that they come with, and their ideas. In the summer, we don't have many opportunities at school, so this is my opportunity to offer it here at the Waterhouse Gallery, which is fantastic. Each session is geared for age appropriate content. So our 5 to 8 will come in and they'll get a literature. They will read a book that is art related, but also allows maybe some critical thinking on their part when they create a piece of artwork for themselves. And then the second session is for our 8 to 11-year-olds, and that session is more action art. So we're going to be using different tools that are not a paintbrush. And then the last session is from like 2 to 3:30 Monday through Friday, and that session is geared for 12 to 16-year-olds. These students usually come with their own set of ideas on what they've already been working on. And so I hope to mentor and ask them more questions about what they want to get better at doing and what they might be struggling with, but we'll gear that around to just kind of mentoring them to achieve and make success for the week. What I would love to have is like from 3:30 to about 4:30 is have a little art show, and we invite the parents to come in for all sessions to see the work that the students have, and then they go home with everything.